Hello, my dear friends, and welcome back to another exciting English lesson. Today, we are talking about something very, very important method for you. Yeah, my name is Zane, and here we make English simple, easy, and fun for everyone. Okay. Before we begin, let me tell you something. The secret to fluency is not only speaking with other people, it's speaking with yourself. Now, that might sound strange, but stay with me. You already talk to yourself every day. You think about what to eat, what to wear, what to do next. The idea is simple. Instead of thinking in your native language, you do that thinking in English. This is your inner monologue. Why is this method so powerful? Because language learning is not only about knowing words, it's about using them quickly, without stopping to translate. When you speak to someone, you often feel pressure. You want to say everything correctly. You don't want to make mistakes. But when you're speaking only in your head, there's no pressure. You can experiment. You can make mistakes, and no one will judge you. This trains your brain to connect thoughts directly to English words without going through translation. Step 1. Start small. Okay, let's begin with the first step. Start small. You don't need to describe your whole life from morning to night on day 1. Begin with just one situation each day. Example: you're brushing your teeth. In your head, you can say, I'm holding my toothbrush. I'm putting toothpaste on it. I'm brushing my teeth in circles. Now I'm rinsing my mouth. It's okay if it feels slow at first. You are building a habit. Step 2. Use simple words. Don't try to speak like a poet. Don't worry about fancy vocabulary. Instead of saying, the aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the room, just say, the coffee smells nice. Simple sentences are easy to think and easy to remember. Step 3. Fill the gaps. Sometimes you'll forget a word. That's normal. Instead of stopping, describe it another way. Example: you forget the word spatula. You can say, I'm using that flat tool to turn the eggs. This is exactly how native speakers work around forgotten words. Real-life examples. Example 1. At home. I'm opening the curtains. The light is bright. I'm folding my blanket. I'm making tea. The water is boiling. Example 2. On the bus. There's a woman reading a book. The driver is looking in the mirror. The road is busy today. Example 3. At the market. The apples are shiny and red. This basket is heavy. The shopkeeper is smiling. Example 4. At work or school. I'm opening my notebook. I'm writing the date. My pen is running out of ink. All right. Now let's practice together. I will describe a situation, and you will repeat it in your head or out loud. Ready? Situation: cooking dinner. I'm washing the vegetables. I'm cutting the onions. The knife is sharp. I'm heating the pan. The oil is hot now. I'm adding the onions. They are turning golden. The smell is nice. I'm adding tomatoes. The sauce is bubbling. I'm stirring slowly. The food is ready. Situation: walking in the park. The grass is green. I can hear birds. The sky is blue. A child is riding a bicycle. A dog is running after a ball. The air feels fresh. The flowers are bright yellow. Do this kind of practice every day, and you'll feel the change in weeks. Step 4. Talk about the past and future. When you're comfortable with the present tense, start describing past events and future plans. Example: past. Yesterday, I went to the library. I read for 1 hour. I borrowed 2 books. Example: future. Tomorrow, I will meet my friend. We will have lunch together. This will help you think in English for all time frames. Step 5. Make it a habit. The real magic happens when this becomes part of your daily life. You can even set reminders on your phone, like think in English for 5 minutes. Every little moment adds up. My dear friend, don't wait for the perfect English before you start. Fluency is built by doing, not by waiting. Every thought you think in English is one more step toward confidence. So, start today and let English become your inner voice. If you found this lesson helpful, subscribe, click the bell icon, and join me for more easy, natural, and powerful English tips. Until next time, keep thinking in English, keep speaking in English, and remember, your voice matters. See you soon.